1.
Chemex pour. All Chemex coffee makers are measured using 5 ounces. As 1 cup. All Chemex coffee makers are made of the highest quality, non-porous borosilicate glass which will not absorb odors or chemical residues. The patented Chemex pour-over design allows coffee to be covered and refrigerated for reheating without losing flavor. Chemex simple, easy to use with timeless, elegant design. Use Chemex bonded filters FP1, FC100, FS100. Melitta filter coffee maker, 1 cup capacity. Black. Brew a phenomenal cup of coffee. Cone fits all cups. Fast easy cleanup. Melitta filter coffee maker, single cup pour over brewer. Hario V60 plastic coffee dripper, cone shape helps to better accentuate coffees with floral or fruit flavor notes. Spiral ribs allows for maximum coffee expansion. Sturdy, lightweight pour over coffee maker, perfect for travel. Large single hole can change coffee taste according to the speed of water flow. Cafellissimo pour over coffee dripper, gourmet flavor made easy hand brew barista quality coffee with the Cafellissimo pour over coffee dripper. A standalone coffee maker that gives you the power of a professional barista for every cup. Double mesh design. The Cafellissimo coffee filter is made with a dual coffee filter brewing design for expert immersion and extraction like a pro. The high quality stainless steel gives an even pour every time. Convenience and quality, anywhere you go, the power of a professional barista is in your hands. The Cafellissimo coffee cone is small enough to take everywhere. OXO Brew single serve pour, brews consistent, flavorful pour over coffee with minimal effort. Auto drip tank controls water flow for a well-balanced brew. Measurement markings on tank show how much water to add, up to 12 ounces. Lid retains heat while brewing, doubles as a drip tray. Comes with 10 OXO unbleached all-natural 2-cone coffee filters. All parts dishwasher safe. OXO Brew single serve pour over coffee maker. Coffee Gator pour over coffee maker. 14 ounces paperless, barista approved. Channel your inner barista with this pour over coffee dripper and brew the perfect cup of coffee in minutes. Taste, unlock your coffee's full flavor potential with this pour over glass coffee maker. Hand brewing your coffee accentuates its intricate flavors for a bold cup of joe. Reusable, built with a laser cut stainless steel mesh filter, this BPA free pour over drip coffee maker delivers a cleaner taste and is kinder to the environment. Convenient, espresso-ly crafted with BPA free. Kajava Mama pour over coffee dripper ceramic slow brewing accessories for home, delectable homemade brew. Classic ceramic pour over coffee dripper lets you have a traditional, hands-on brewing experience in the comfort of your own home, without the help of a machine. Fresh and handcrafted coffee. The slow, pour over brewing method extracts all the rich flavors of ground coffee. Use with a 2-paper filter. This handheld dripper is built to give you a more robust blend, every time. Recommended Kajava Mama paper cone filters. Sold separately. COSORI pour over coffee maker with double layer stainless steel filter, double layer filter. Dual layers of 304 stainless steel allow fine oils from coffee powder to infuse themselves into your coffee, creating a richer, fuller flavor and no coffee ground deposits. Heat resistant glass. The borosilicate glass decanter is thermal resistant enough to be heated on the stove on a low flame. Large capacity. The 34-ounce decanter fits 8 4 ounces cups of coffee.